ವಿಶೇಷ ಅಗತ್ಯಗಳಿರುವ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳ ಸಾಧನೆಯನ್ನು ಸಂಭ್ರಮಿಸುವಂತೆ ಪಿವಿಐ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ 3ನೇ ಘಟಿಕೋತ್ಸವ ಯಲಹಂಕದ ಶೇಷಾದ್ರಿಪುರಂ ಪ್ರಥಮ ದರ್ಜೆ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾನುವಾರ ನೆರವೇರಿತು. 1 ಹಾಗೂ 2 ವರ್ಷದ ಕೌಶಲ್ಯ ಮತ್ತು ವೈಯಕ್ತಿಕ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಪೂರ್ಣಗೊಳಿಸಿದ ಕಲಿಕಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಪದವಿ ಪ್ರದಾನ ಮಾಡಲಾಗಿದ್ದು, ಕುಟುಂಬಗಳು, ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರು ಮತ್ತು ಉದ್ಯೋಗದಾತರು ಭಾಗಿಯಾಗಿ ಸಂಭ್ರಮಿಸಿದರು. ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ವಿಶೇಷ ಆಕರ್ಷಣೆಯಾಗಿದ್ದ ಬಿಯಾಂಡ್ ದ ಲೇಬಲ್ಸ್ ಎಂಬ ವಿಶೇಷ ಶಾಲೆಗಳ ಉಲ್ಲೇಖ ಮಾರ್ಗದರ್ಶಿ ಕೃತಿಯನ್ನು ಪಿವಿಐ ಸಂಸ್ಥಾಪಕಿ ಡಾ. ಗಾಯತ್ರಿ ನರಸಿಂಹನ್ ಪರಿಚಯಿಸಿ ಅಂಗವಿಕಲ ಕಲ್ಯಾಣ ಇಲಾಖೆಯ ಆಯುಕ್ತ ದಾಸ್ ಸೂರ್ಯವಂಶಿ ಬಿಡುಗಡೆ ಮಾಡಿದರು. ಸಮಾರಂಭದಲ್ಲಿ ವೈದ್ಯಕೀಯ ತಜ್ಞೆ ಡಾ. ಬೃಂದಾ ವೆಂಕಟರಾಮನ್, ಶೇಷಾದ್ರಿಪುರಂ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಟ್ರಸ್ಟ್ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷ ಅಶೋಕ್ ಡಬ್ಲ್ಯೂಡಿ ಮತ್ತು ನಾರಿ ಶಕ್ತಿ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿ ಪುರಸ್ಕೃತ ಲೇಖಕಿ ಪುಷ್ಪಾ ಪ್ರಿಯಾ ವಿಶೇಷ ಅತಿಥಿಗಳಾಗಿ ಉಪಸ್ಥಿತರಿದ್ದರು. 2015ರಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಥಾಪನೆಯಾದ ಪಿವಿಐ ಕೌಶಲ್ಯಾಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿ ತರಬೇತಿ, ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಶಿಪ್ ಮತ್ತು ಉದ್ಯೋಗ ಮಾರ್ಗಗಳನ್ನು ಒದಗಿಸುವ ಮೂಲಕ ಸೇರ್ಪಡೆ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣದ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಹತ್ವದ ಕಾರ್ಯ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಿದೆ. ಸೇರ್ಪಡೆ ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಹಂಚಿಕೆಯ ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿ ಎಂಬ ಸಂದೇಶದೊಂದಿಗೆ ಪ್ರತಿಜ್ಞೆ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಪ್ರದರ್ಶನ ಹಾಗೂ ಒಳಗೊಳ್ಳುವ ಉದ್ಯೋಗ ಕುರಿತು ವಿಶೇಷ ಸಂವಾದವೂ ನಡೆಯಿತು. ವಿಶೇಷ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳ ಸಾಮರ್ಥ್ಯವನ್ನು ಸಮಾಜಕ್ಕೆ ಪರಿಚಯಿಸುವ ವೇದಿಕೆಯಾಗಿ ಪಿವಿಐ ಘಟಿಕೋತ್ಸವ ಗಮನ ಸೆಳೆಯಿತು.
Take risks and pursue your passions. You all are the change makers, the innovators.
Person's dream, vision to see our children always equal to the children at large, who always wanted to have them all under one umbrella. That's our dear Gayatri Narasimhan. I have known Gayatri for more than a decade now, and every time we talk in person or over phone, I'm just in awe of the intense passion in her to empower our neurodivergent children to become productive, to lead an independent life, and the absolute necessity to bring them along with the neurotypical children.
Namaskara, Namaste. Okay, I'm Dr. Gayatri Narasimhan, founder director of Prakramika Vocational Institute, fondly called PVI Family. So today we are having our mega book launch. It's a dream come true for me. It's beyond labels. It's an academic guide for special educators or special schools. Beyond labels, I wish to share few information about that. This is the first ever academic book for the special schools. Now regular schools, they have the systemic measurable curriculum, but for special schools, of course the teachers, the organizers, everybody, they put in a lot of effort about the beyond labels. So as I was mentioning, the regular schools, they have a systematic curriculum like CBSE, State Board or NIOS, so many curriculums are there. But coming to special schools, nothing is there. Though the teachers, the institute owners, the founders, they put in enormous effort, but there is no systemic measurable curriculum. So what happens is the workplace inclusion gets affected for us, and the holistic development to get them independent gets affected. So that is why we brought in Beyond Labels, an academic guide for special educator. It has 14 subjects like communication, mathematics skills, functional academics, activities of daily living, sex education, safety, personality development, financial literacy, soft skills, yoga, physical fitness, and last comes the vocations. So when all these 13 topics are put in place, vocation and becomes really successful. Now next what? Workplace inclusion becomes successful because we have a measurable curriculum. We know now that they are trained in all these in a structured manner. So workplace inclusion becomes successful in that way. So this is how we brought in. It is written by 8 of us, 7 of my co-authors who are the parents of special needs, teachers who have lived in and day out with the children with special needs. So I thank my co-authors here. In this book, a speciality is the illustrations. The illustrations there are 800 illustrations done by our own children with special needs. We call them special needs. Sometimes I feel, yes, they are really, really specially abled because they have a super talent. 800 illustrations they have done for this book. Amazing book. So this is how it has shaped. It has been a 10 years dream for me. 10 years back I started this, but now it has come to life. We should have launched long back, but a lot of challenges. Now it's successful and I'm super happy today.
Internship or the jobs?
Wonderful question. This year actually we have taken a limited number of students because we were more focused on the book. Normally we take 60 students per year. So approximately 25 to 30 from India and 25 to 30 from US. US also we have 3 batches of children. And we have around 10 students per batch. So that's how we run so that we are able to focus. And most of our such skill programs go online and after 1 year or after 2 years or sometimes even children they go for individual courses also. So after that they come here for graduation once a year. So I have to thank Seshadripuram First Grade College for this space they give and the support, safety, everything is taken care of here. So I have to thank them and our children really enjoy coming here. So and here we meet physically and they are honored for whatever hard work they have done. And employment side, if I have to tell, once this over, we have, in fact today also we have job fair. We have a couple of job providers who have come to talk with the parents. So we connect them with the job providers, they connect them to the corporates. We don't send the children directly to the corporates because the accommodation and so many things are there, factors are there. So in between, we need the job providers to help them out. Help both the sides. So that's why we have a couple of job providers now. So that's what we do. And we try to take some of the children for PVI itself. They work for PVI and we pay them the salary also. Like how they have done the illustrations, they are paid.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.